Alright guys. Yeah. Hey guys. This is Snowflake. Snowflake is one of my calmest chickens. She's kinda, cause the dog's over there looking at her. See? I'm gonna put her on top of Rocco for her to stay on top of her. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I should go get another one. She's not that calm anymore. Let me go get another one. Alright guys. Let me show you this. This is Big Mama. She's one of my biggest ones. They don't like to be handled. I used to handle them, but not anymore. Okay, I'm gonna go get Rocco. She's kinda... Let's see, it's kinda hard. No te va a hacer nada. Épale. Place. You don't want to. Over there. The chicken's not being hurt. She's just making a commotion because she's close to Rocco. Hazte para allá, lie down. Lie down, Rocco. Rocco, lie down. Stay there. How's it going, friends? This is JC from King of the Coop. I just got out of work. Oh shoot, Rocco. I'll go let the chickens go. You all remember I used to put Rocco, my dog, Rocco, on a kennel over there? Not anymore. Since I got my rooster, he is. Let me put my. I went to buy some chick feed today. But I gotta watch my back because this guy right there, he's mean. He's a very mean rooster. Yeah. Gotta watch my back because he could attack me. Well, I got him, and one time I forgot to close the chicken coop, so they got out, and then Rocco here tried to attack him, and the rooster attacked him too, so he learned his lesson. Right, Rocco? You learned your lesson? You learn your lesson, Rocco? You learn your lesson? The chickens are loose. He's not doing anything. Get yourself a rooster that's very good to protect the chickens, and he is not gonna let nothing touch those chickens. Those are his chickens. Those are his ladies. He taught Rocco a lesson not to mess around with the chickens. Now for the new members of my flock, let's go check them out. I went to buy some feed this afternoon because I had ran out. Okay. There you go. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo. Don't turn your back on them. Here, don't turn your back on them. Alright, you turn your back on him, he'll get you. Oh, my hairs, they went up. What I have here, woo! Well, those are my newest members of my flock. Red and red, but 4 pintons. You see those little masks? And then I got a black asali chickens. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my videos. And I hope you enjoyed the last footage where I was trying to teach Rocco how to get along with the chickens. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you all live in the boonies out there, I got a link down below for Home Depot. If you need anything, you know, go ahead. You could order online and they'll ship it to you. And that will help me a lot to make more videos. I only get a percentage out of it. And okay, and I'll see you next time on the King of the Coop. All right, signing off. Be cool out there because it's freaking hot. Rocco, come and get the egg. Come and get the egg. Andale, come. Come and get it. Rocco, come. Rocco, egg.